Hi, I'm Ram Lama, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to start your first meeting in Zoom. So let us go ahead. I I trust that you have already installed your Zoom. So what you have to do, you have to go to your Zoom account, Zoom icon, double click on it. So you'll have this dashboard. Okay, so it says new meeting or join the meeting. So for the students, you have to join here, or else your teacher will be sending you a link. So you have to click on that link and you have to join. So for a student, you won't have to come to this place again and again to join. So just you have to check your email ID so that you are sure that you have got link from your teacher. So when you get that link, click on that to join the meeting. So please do follow that one. And for teachers, so how to start the meeting, so it is very much easy. Like you can just create new meeting here, or else you can schedule. So I want you to schedule often, so click on schedule, click schedule, and you'll write here your first class. Okay, so first class. So when do you want to have your meeting, your class? So let us have on April 23. It is for example only, so April 23. And time, when do you want to start? So start at 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 p.m. And okay, so meeting will be, see, we are using free version, so often the meeting will be for 30 to 40 minutes. So our class also will be only for 30 minutes. Okay, and after 30 minutes we'll create again another meeting. So after break, 30-minute class, then break, then we'll start another 30 minute of session. So this is how will be in the schedule. Okay, so just create 30 minutes, or if you want to create more, then okay, it is 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. But what it says, your Zoom basic plan has 40 minutes time limit on meeting with 3 hour or more participants. So what we have to do then, only 40 minutes. So let us write on, where is zero? I don't find zero. Okay, 0 hour is here. Click 30 minute now. Okay, then personal meeting, this is ID. Then you'll have this ID for you also. So I want you to unclick this one, no need password. So automatically your student can join. Okay, so leave it as it is and say here schedule. Okay, click, and it is asking your calendar permission. Okay, so in Google Calendar it will be there, so it will remind you. If I say save here, okay, save. Okay, ask me later, so it will remind me. Okay, so 9 reminder. Okay, so it will remind me. Let us leave that one now. Okay, so I haven't saved it yet. My meeting, where is that? See, my meeting is here, first class. So since I have scheduled here, so it won't see, because we have scheduled for many days, so it won't be coming here. So what we have to do, come to meeting, and you have this one, first class at 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Meeting ID is this one. So what you have to do is, you have to copy this invitation and send to your students. Okay, copy and send in Gmail ID. You have already copied and paste it. So once you paste, then it will have that. So I'll show you how it will look. Okay, for example, okay, if I copy, see, this will be the copied one. So you will have this all the information in your email ID. Ram Lama is inviting you to schedule join meeting topic first class. Okay, so you'll paste it in your email ID and send to your student. Now if you want to start your meeting, just click here start. Then you'll be able to start your meeting, and you will be able to interact with the student and talk about the classes or introduction of your class. So this is how you start your first meeting in Zoom. Thank you very much for watching.